There's no better way to start this episode with us laughing about things that you have no context of. How are you doing, Angèle?
I'm doing all right.
See?
Doing all right.
Welcome again. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
To the OnBrand Podcast.
Yeah.
I'm your co-host, Joim.
And I am Angèle.
Shout out to Rodina.
Yes.
Today we have another audio episode for you guys. Yeah, I don't remember what this one's gonna be about, but Angèle by Lead Nos and Becky. It's gonna be cool though. Oh yeah, I do know what it's about. I do
Has
know.
a whole outline written, doesn't it?
Don't spread the sauce. Don't let people know the sauce. Remember, the game is to be sold, not told. That is a gem for you guys. But you see, today we're going to talk about our in-laws. But before that, we need to ask and check up on our people. So, how are you doing?
You know, out and about. Not really.
Inside. What is it?
It's not. Out and about inside.
See.
There's not really much going on. I've been watching shows, trying to catch up with shows lately. Wala mi din tempo, like, because I've been watching many things. But makaba show Jeffrey Dahmer on Netflix. Sick. But
He's a sick bastard, you know, nah?
yeah, it was not good. Like him, he was not good. But the show itself,
It was
I thought
awful.
it was pretty. No, I think kunta about it.
You bailed right quick on that accent.
See, because I didn't want to do it to my British people.
Right.
Makunta with me, like, papunta about it. And I didn't think it was really romanticized as much as the thing that certain people say.
Right.
I
Kiko
think
no
that
taba romanticized.
Kung a story, I think, tingin na hindi vooral ko serial killer stories or true crime stories. Kumani, oh, why was he like this? It's his childhood. It's because of this, and that. No, he's sick. And it was not a good moment for the people that were victim to that and their families. And I think now focus on that with this documentary series, which Minusa and that they always do. So I watched that. And I'm still trying to finish Game of Thrones. We're going to go to House of Dragon. I'm contemplating starting Walking Dead again.
For the 19th time.
See, and maybe even Lost. Because I feel
For the
lost.
19th time again.
See, I relate.
Angèle, please. What's wrong with you, yo? Stop playing.
That's what I've been up to. And doing school things, the usuals.
Okay.
You? What you been up to?
I'm doing all right. What have I been up to? I've been working, man. I'm a working man. You see me out here doing a lot of stuff, but I work 36 hours a week.
You gotta go to work.
Anyway, see.
No, that's not the right beat.
It doesn't matter. It's a remix, Angèle.
Okay.
Don't burst my bubble, yo.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Sorry.
Maybe I remix. Anyway,
Sorry.
I have a job.
Yeah,
That's what I do. Most of my time goes to working, and then on brand things and music. Music on brand to take. Depende kiko ta sinanta man. Depende ko ta mas prangan. I prefer doing music because it's more fun for me creatively. But on brand, it has a bigger reach right now, and it's in a good place in the sense that when notoriety and people approaching us. So that's where my time goes for the most part.
Yeah.
Pero I've been doing all right, trying to balance all of it, trying to make it make sense, trying to work towards my future because everything I do is towards my future. Even working for the massa, which I do. I'm not gonna say where I work because you're not gonna come up on my job. Are you crazy? No. But yeah, it's a very taxing job. There's a lot of brain work that has to go into it, and yeah. But that I've been doing all right though. Like I'm doing the things I want to do, or the things I need to do. I'm to those. So yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But see, what are we gonna talk about today, Angèle?
Today, another story time. What do you call your in-laws? This has been something that has always been on my mind. No, it has not.
It has not.
It has not. But I'm not curious because talking to my sister, someone discussing what would you call your in-laws? So within a relationship, both started in their relationship at a younger age, or now for me at least. as an adult, what am I supposed to call my in-laws? Because me at the big mama age of beep, I am
Dula peep. See.
of Dula Peep, in the era and the age of Dula Peep, I will not be calling this person tante or uncle or tío. That is not gonna come out of my mouth. I pause.
Yeah.
Me not to feel comfortable doing that, and I also don't feel like Miss Sasikoi.
No.
Basta
Like a grown ass person.
Ni bunuta tío.
No.
What do you think?
Ami também é coerara, porque tem cultura que nós falamos de aqui, but acostuma a mãe tanto que tio. Pero
correct.
at some point pode chegar a certain age kami na, but também Mercedes. Like Sonia. Pero even that with a thing naman about being disrespectful, so it's very difficult to buhasik ko. To be difícil anto. Ito difícil ko botão nang fácil. Pero bijvoorbeeld a gray area di man bumama sa friends nang. So ni man o botata sa friends nang. Of ngayon ko balante ko for a long time ko tong family friend. Pero wo but at the age kami na mitawabo di mo cara, and it's kind of like binabisa botão ko na sina. Of orang tabi sabi na mami tante to yung kasi pero mami tante binisin ay largo, like I don't know how am I supposed to just switch it not by and the by the kada the in-laws, it's also even more weird. So boyama tante ami to agas nikip boyama bo
Suegra.
fray su tata tío, you're weird, you can't do that. You can't do that. Boyama bo fray su mama tanchi, you're not a child, man. You can't do that. Nanti minsan, tini ka bisa tawa mo na kimo chiquita kiyan to.
Plus menian ko senyora tantos na
Tama ito man hope afstandelijk, si. Ito hope afstandelijk. Pero si boss say, nanti man yung style bisa man boy, kaya kita bira ba formal ko na ki masyakol ta. It's just
Right.
there's no winning.
Right.
So what I usually do is, see, anto orabo. That's what I do. See, see. When they ask me a question.
Kanta ko po, awe dream.
Mite bom. See.
See?
Mite bom.
Anto, kanta ko
Kubo. That's how I do it. See. Kubo.
Ko murmur. Kami na masupon actual name.
See, ando off order man nambisa man Bobisa tal hindi pami of man abot man mi fry bijvoorbeeld ando bisa sa bobisa mi mama pami by bosi mi mama bisa man pami tal kos. O ami tabay bisa. Pili ko bisa. Pero ikaw sa bisa. Sabi ka man, asina.
Yeah.
Si.
Because I mean, ding nos culture foral, mita feel asina mal bisa bo.
Si.
No pa ni bisa ngene man ba mi no pa ni bisa ko mi mama nang.
Nunca mi bisa mi mama.
I have never. Since level mita man.
Or mita ranso.
I'm so sorry. No, aniya sining.
Si.
Pero I didn't, but that no, mama ki
Si, no vast.
Yep.
Buti rason.
Pero eno, I think eko ku tante ku tanchi ku tío. Yeah, Alexander sorry, no.
Tante ku tanchi ku tío.
Tante ku tanchi ku tío. I'll grow that around like 17, 18.
Bom.
Which is quite old actually to me. But so my mom's a teacher. Dus malante ko hoe is ko kolega nang the friends time of the amiga nang ko foi chiki makuna sinang. Parang tante blank, of parang juffrouw blank. Ku take a walkie, I still use the same names.
Right.
Pero ku cierto ene, pero not related to me. We don't
know you
see
like
each
that, bro.
other that often. There's no reason I should still be calling you tante.
Right.
There's a form of respect, see? Ano yung pupunta puntra, pero ibi pa yamawon na actual names. But now, Lisette, but I want me and Mama Lisette. So, tante, it's very dangerous time. So, tingnan na chiki, but no tayo in number. Basta gewoon tante. And something happens.
Kaya pasa, tante tati. Ko tante? No, tante.
Tante.
Yeah, well,
See.
poco difícil, sa ma-feel mo.
And tia doesn't come out of my mouth. No, sorry. I will not call any man that is not related to me Tio. That does not work well for me. I'm not doing that. I'm hoping
That's not gonna
difficulty with
happen.
that. I have friends that I've known for years, decades. Decades.
Naked decades.
Decades. And now mom, for me, of a maternal, woman figure, what was faster for me to say, tante, come my tante, hey tante, not tante, pero their fathers.
You can't say it. Say, but I'm thinking, see. Conta, tá bom? Tá bom.
See, because if you decide weird, because we've been too long in this game.
Yeah.
I've never really asked, pero me, I feel like it's too late now.
No, you can't. Yeah.
It's too late now.
See, dus nos end result taku nos to gewoon kind of like fake it till you make it. That's kind of what you gotta do.
I really have that conversation, maybe.
See, gewoon ask when keep it up prefera. What are your pronouns? That's what you have to do with your in-laws. What are your pronouns?
What is your name?
See.
So I look at that video. It's this very cute video. A YouTuber called Believe in Fatherhood, and I think his son is youngest kama Uzi, and the Uzi has been asking for years to dad's name. Twane, what's your name? And to me, I go to say
That one dad. That is dad.
Like, why are you trying to know?
No.
But that's always been a thing. But then na with a chiquita, I put on a bus, but I'm like, yo, I really want to know that teacher's name. For what? Clout. For clout.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout.
But this little kid Uzi has been
name?
asking his dad for years. He's like 3 now.
Dad.
So he's been asking him, what is your name?
Dad.
What does mom call you?
Itu bilang itu mana? Daddy. And the video cut off.
It's very cute.
The video cut off.
Go
The
look
super
it up.
the it slaps to dad. But itu mana? Don't you ever talk like that about my mom.
But see, let us know what you call your in-laws. Kiko mo sa suegra, yaya,
You.
onchi,
I don't know.
oma, mama.
Of course.
There's a lot of people that do say
Swinga.
that, mama, mommy. But I can't do that.
Mamãe.
either. There's a lot of people that
Of
do
suegra.
that. No, but the only sa suegra sa mama, mommy.
Begon met zijn suegra dan. Oh, suegro.
No, Mr. Obi come
Oh,
to
suegra.
okay.
See, but even that man, what a safe. So don't fate gewoon.
Yeah.
Weet je man? Don't fate.
Ik dat even ik kon leed met dat ding game die heeft aan de show.
Of zien dan Gustavo no. So die mensen met de irons and shit, they still don't like your ass.
Yup.
Anyway,
Señora,
we're gonna
okay.
talk about the different things. So
Yes.
trauma trigger. No wait. See. Okay.
Okay, we're moving along. We're still on the topic the suegra. Kung am I wrong? So it sounds like it. Am I wrong?
We're trying to deserve you. Oh yeah. No, yeah. Am I wrong? Anyway, see.
Am I wrong? Until that relating to in-laws. Until meeting dos. That's dream to make his squad in nang iki.
Hey, options.
One of them, the... 1 second, please. 1 second, please. 1 second, please. 1 second. But let's say titles and then let you choose. The first one is, am I wrong for asking my parents and in-laws to leave our wedding early?
Okay.
Or
All right.
am I wrong for disagreeing about my in-laws wanting to buy the house next door? Pick your poison.
Damn, they're both good.
Tick, tick,
Okay, I'm gonna pick the first one, but save it otro for even. That's a dog. That's crazy. That's crazy. Pero sí, no, es para mí.
The first one, okay.
Vamos a save it otro for the next time.
See, boom, I'll read it. Am I
Off display, pues no sobra tiempo.
see?
Uh-huh.
Am I wrong for asking my parents and in-laws to leave our wedding early? Story time. I officially tied the knot last week. Congratulations, girl. Not sure how, but I convinced the coolest...
we don't know if it's a girl. We don't know.
Yeah, sure. I'm not sure how, but I convinced the coolest guy in the world that I'm tolerable enough to tie down for life. Super shocking. I know. Thankfully, everyone accommodated the fact that we didn't want children present at our ceremony or reception. The thing that did receive some pushback was our request that unless you were explicitly invited to stay, then everyone needed to be out of the reception venue by 7 p.m. Those who were asked to stay were mostly just my and my husband's friends. As much as I love my parents, siblings, and new in-laws, I didn't want them to partake in a few adult substances and wasn't really interested in them bearing witness to poppers or other things getting passed around. Adult substances, we all know what that is, right?
No, but next. Sige
Okay.
mo. Drogas.
Exactly. We had been with them all day and would be seeing them the next morning, as all of us were staying at the same place nearby and had plans to have breakfast together. So I didn't see it as a problem. At that point, I had already had a few drinks after some back and forth about whether they really had to head out. And I basically said something to the effect of, if you wouldn't feel comfortable spending a night out with us at a gay bar, you should probably leave. Oop. The space cleared out pretty quickly after that, and we did our thing with our friends. Sex. Orgy.
Hey,
It was
yo.
wonderful.
You have no idea if that's what they did. You can't just...
We did our thing, okay?
No, pero ito pa pala the adult substances.
I know. I know, but adult substances. Ugh. Anyways, it was wonderful to end the night. It was a wonderful way to end the night. My dad, however, didn't show up for breakfast the next morning, and my sister tipped me off that my mom and my mother-in-law weren't happy with my comments. Am I wrong? Ito namin 2 edits, which I'm gonna read really quickly. The first edit to answer some questions. Yes, it was put on the invitations that the reception ended at a certain time. There was no kicking anyone out. See that in air quotations. The event just ended and the after party continued. My friend owns the reception venue we used. And the second edit, doesn't apply to the story.
Okay.
So, Dream, are they wrong?
I think they're wrong, but they're also considerate.
Okay.
So they're wrong, like, bunopasi ko ito ba wedding?
Bonopos ko itabo wedding.
Bunopasi ko ito ba wedding, there's both of me and like, but it's literally, that's why we're there for you. Pero at the end,
Bonopos ko itabo wedding. Okay.
Minokaba. Bunopasi po sa tabo wedding ito, yan ang lo que tuma party di ba wedding ito activities na. Pero bota consider it time, so basta ako sino great, pero bosang not a really party dik basta not a echt party dik was kinda basta no enjoy it também. Pensei ela visa coisa que ela visa ita mas drunk. Pero ita su wedding dus able is di king eke na certain activities of no. Pero at the same time bota slabes as light in the item. It's a very weird predicament. But I'm gonna say if I have to give you an answer di man wrong yes or no, I'm gonna say yes.
Okay.
Yes. Jammer genoeg.
For me, I like corn. No. For me, but I go about this in a different way. I think it is your wedding, so you can do and say what you want.
You can.
And I think it probably should have been a conversation before a day or that night. Maybe we'll be about parents now.
Probably.
Get out.
No,
We
bisa
don't
na
want
kawag.
you old people
No,
here.
sí, pero communication mas dapat ang otro.
Sí, pastos kubalage na reception ba bisa na okay.
Yo, what
Pack
about
your bags.
Babira drunk turang yung babas dito ko na you can't.
Sí.
That's wrong.
Sí. It's not si Shantae you stay and don't natin go kami ko lip sync for their life.
That's crazy to say. See, walang gay wala no sala
Exactly.
kita. You
Sí.
can't do that.
See, it's okay, that's a little bit disrespectful. So see, but I have a conversation. I think you could like remove attention, make the problems hope much smaller. But in other banda, I do get it. But so see, but I think adult substances. We're hope you're comfortable having your parents there.
Or not.
Maybe depending.
But
Kinda
they will keep your
hippie
parents
lifestyle
with you.
you have. Pero I think I missed a conversation
Prior
had
ko.
before.
Sí.
Sí,
Doon
and
ako
I
ba doon
think-
get drunk ando essentially slide in it. That's just, it's just the worst way this person could go about it is the worst way they went about it.
See, plus it doesn't leave off a great impression of suegro, suegra, who can leave the wedding. I mean, the common they could say, oh, no, sabing pabon, so see, but it's also still my wedding, so I can decide what happens.
See, but also, but yung common they could about parents and display ko aki, bo may sakit papikunain na. Now this is gonna be a weird vibe forever.
See.
So hindi punta na, di ko mo yung may di ko. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. See, wrong way to go. My thing tamit what is this notion din ng ponin na ng personal lives online?
Man.
Na ilit po na ko online pa mustra ko kang kind of piece of shit ita. That's so crazy to me. Oh, I'm a bad person. Let me punta the internet to bad person. Guess what? Nobody's on your side, yo.
Yeah, it's Reddit.
It's hilarious to me.
You're anonym.
No, you're not. No, you're not. The internet is vast and big. No necessariamente.
But kind of anonym.
Someone on there knows you.
It's posted by Easy and Free.
See, but even then, we can find you, yo.
Okay.
But see, there's notion time kung bata pone your personal life online. On your side. You're wrong.
No, but I guess that's the whole point of this. But I also agree. They were wrong in the way that they went about it.
Sí.
But I do think that putting resolution to this.
See, but so nanta being considerate at the end of the day. But see, nanta wrong. So eman nire ko kabay. Nanta ro base pa nire ko kabay. Pero nanta being considerate tame. Pero nanta being considerate towards the people, but the way they could have relayed that message lo portaba ta otros.
Yeah.
See, this essay the course.
Okay. Do you have time for the second one?
Yes, we do.
We do. Yay. The second one. Am I wrong for disagreeing about my in-laws wanting to buy the house next door?
It's crazy, yo.
Let's get started. That's a long time.
No.
Me, female, 32, and my boyfriend, male, 35, are going to buy a little house, and it's a really good opportunity. And my in-laws have just, ayo, I'm reading this, so I'm trying to no pega, because there's a lot of commas in one sentence. And, okay. It's a really good opportunity, and my in-laws have suggested to buy the house next door. In case of, in the future, we need to be close for anything. For example, if you have children, anything that can come up, they thought it would be useful for us and for them. The fact is, I have a good relationship with them and they are nice people, but having them next door can be a big problem. I'm a very independent person and value a lot of my privacy. Also, I want to manage. Oops, sorry.
Engage for we know. In adult substances. Plot twist is the same couple.
It's the same person. Bad lyrics.
Exactly, see. Burner accounting thing, we say. Multiple, but see.
Of course. I want to manage my house in my own way, and I'm afraid that too much closeness can cause friction. Or my mother-in-law would be too helpful, and that might overwhelm me or drive me crazy. My boyfriend is excited because he thinks it's a great idea since he's very familiar, and he thinks it will be good for us. I disagree with this, but I think he does not understand me, and this is creating a really big conflict for us. How do you see it?
I decided to post it online.
And not ask my friends, ask strangers.
Or go to a therapist, because that's what you guys need.
Right. Am I wrong? Would you like to live near them or absolutely not? Do you think it can be beneficial or crazy? Thank you. You're welcome. What do you think?
No, I'm not with that at all. Yeah, y'all can keep that one. No, I'm good. Nigga, no. Hell no.
Not with that.
This boyfriend is a mama's boy. That's what it is.
Yeah.
He's a mama's boy. So, I'm gonna say, yung guy ko naman is super self-standard. Say, no, mi kabiba cerca de mi. Oh, never. Mi kabiba cerca. No banda, si. Y'all can go the next city, the next town, 30 minutes away. Mas tanto, not that closer to 30 minutes. I'm sorry.
What?
No, pero pa mi po naman yung verbal. Basta mi kaman. Okay. E no message naman oh, mitabay sa kajoy. No, message mitabay sa, okay. Message yung point comma din ko. Yeah. Message yung tiki basa. So, ko itabirong style man buta bindi si dia buta drenta mika. Kos mi terapi no bimikas ko yung style man buta drenta ya ka drenta. No. You have to make an appointment, madam. Even if you're my mother. I'm sorry. You gotta tell me. I gotta prepare. I gotta mentally. I gotta put myself on a a certain level pa both tilku, whatever good, loving things that you're gonna bring to the table. But still, you can't just no. No, 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 no. I am completely with this woman. I agree that it is way too much, and it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. I don't like that at all. It could be helpful untuk mita nanti buong intention kita pi kona iprovral di un relasyon untuk para bata young of or bata trying to build something. It would be better si bo pas ye bomes untuk ko partner anto sing messaging too much influence chafo. Awo mita agree ko por use outside counsel anto it could be beneficial at some point. Pero not in that way. Like kika difference in the 20 minute ko next door ta like like I would prefer it to be bosanta cerca to bosanta bereikbaar pero no ko wade mo kitchen wade mi casa. I can't have that. No.
Yeah.
No.
I agree. I think good intentions and that's what I do appreciate. Mita apreciar ko nang lo que ayuda na kita close pa city. Nieto lang ko lubini. That makes sense.
It does.
But it also sounds like you're trying to build a commune. The commune, if it's
See.
And Minosa, see that my misamita someone that will be private, will be independent. And I'm thinking that depende. So that me in-laws nang compared to me parents are two different things. I think a boyfriend them as these are my parents.
See.
In-laws nanta, but they're related to you now, your family, pero basta no lang you don't know the dynamics of them, they don't know your boundaries. Tapos hindi ka inang fear to bini, and that I can also
I can
relate
understand.
with.
Right.
See. Just me dami yung tik mo ni. And mas the next city, but at the same time for me, I think that I do like that idea. Pero next door, what I could have did to say.
See, like, what What? No.
Plus, I think in-laws because they're the parent as well, na feel mas comfortable doing or saying of telling you to do
certain
then contrary.
Now, on the other hand, see, orders nambira must be you. Then I am with that.
See.
But it doesn't feel like that's the case right now. I feel like they're young and spry still. Ando ko tabi style man no mi ke kung mete de mobida eko asna mi ta sintie
not necessarily. I think they have
so bobo kung baturkas porque kung sumban mi come out mine
I mean, why not? It's not that bad.
We just did 8 minutes on why not. Don't play that, please. Please. No, pero sinantag lo que biba cerca di nang panang. Pero no mese biba cerca di ami pa ami.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a bar. See, no mese biba cerca di ami pa ami. Oh, voor het geval. No. What on the older and to ami lo que biba cerca di nang. Don't get me wrong. I'm not also a bad son or whatever. That's not it. Pero mi no que pe reason pa ko nang ke na de biba ki banda nang. Tapos nang kayo dami. I don't need help. I'm good.
Yeah.
I don't need all of that. Pero sinanta older and to what's up early see bolo kita mas cerca di nam so abo kayo na nang. Even then I would still there nang privacy ke kona lumit amilo no kumprong kasbandi nang. I wouldn't do that. I'd rather live close by or something like that. Something man this I to me it they would have to think the same way towards me and to ko ami kumi famia so tami famia. Still my family over here. Like I have to build this house. I have to me and my wife me and my wife would have to lead together this family. Mi no ke pabirong style man abating ko ita zeggen and to awo my wife is uncomfortable but so my parents and bobi sami ko of nata cerca of it's a bit too messy. So close pero not that close.
They get given that kunanting friction because of it. I think you guys should probably talk.
There's more things going on.
So and then dami okay parents money. Pero junto después ko basang agree of this is what we're doing. But so kaya if a husband sits there because the parents not money, no, Maria no kaya sa ko keep us keep you no Maria is the bad guy. I mean if was not agree
no, pero
to doing this as a couple, so we say, basta danki swinda ku John nos aprecia ku bosanke asisa aqui, pero kami nos tawa aqui, we would like to not do that. pero pone
Yes,
boundary
don't buy a house here.
tambe. Pone it's okay to set
On
a
a boundary,
boundary.
see.
I think nos afraid di man tra primeiro supia pa sobo no que bisan ko si da koi bomester pa bating privacidade do tá sentindo.
Home base sali man not great, pero sa kita
pero
rand voorwaarden.
this is my house.
See.
I work. I am with my husband. You can visit. Let me know.
Economist bira stali walking. See. No me bira spreekuur. Basta mi man. No. You have to call for an appointment. See. I agree kubo. Anto yeah. Iko tatame like iko birong issue between them. Ja, man hebben die na mensen really bespreken say. Anto basta mensen bespreken quick. Minsa kuro basta van planet ko pero ta complementi kas. Mi compre kas ki mi no ba yung kaminda. Dus basta mensen ko prometo na minsa no sa firme contract. Haha, no sa firme hypotheek. Anto awo basta stock. So nobody can leave. You live here now. So y'all gonna figure it out. Wanneer een foto basta figure it out. So comprame. The different ko. Oh, say nada being rent of nada. No. We decided to buy the house next to you guys.
Yep.
So these people are rich too. Because you just don't buy two houses next to each other.
Don't you have a house now?
See, like where do you live?
No, but your parents on the pay for na kumda nang kas.
No. No, that's even worse.
Nang the.
You might have to eat that.
Little house. What?
You might have to eat that.
Eat that?
Eat that. Yeah, nanti yung bani bo, you have to eat that.
No, pero nang doy comprendo, nang parents in-laws na suggest this man, oh, what if nos dami kumring kas man, bus nang
Pero quien te paga pekas?
In-laws to paga pa ng kas.
Panang mes kas?
Si, pero nang move ba na di isan. Cause why?
Oh, makere na itapaga, nang tapaga pa ikas di.
No.
No, you don't have to eat nothing.
They're buying the house.
Okay.
See.
Oh.
There is a sound.
See.
Yeah.
I don't know what that was, but let's see. So this no. I think you should talk about that as soon as possible. Because you don't want to be in a situation kamina. Oh, baso daman bota compra casa ada pari ay. No. You finna live there.
I think with children mo baka hindi assim.
Sí, pero con children etabira un otro cos.
Yeah,
bo responsabilidad ng bo priorities na meta cambia. So then you would want your whole family to be there probably. Plus tabung si man you nang ta cerca din ng it's different. It's very different. But even then tami ting man what do you tell me how to raise my kids tami. Sabi ki man? It's this weird thing ko you have to have really good communication. That's what it's about.
Suggest ban ding ikas.
No, but that's even worse.
That is even worse.
See, I can kick you out of my house. I can't kick you out of your house.
You would kick in-laws?
No. I can kick you out of my house. I can't kick you out of your house that you bought.
See, pero you would kick them out.
No, I wouldn't. Hypothetically speaking.
Alert. You would kick them out.
No, hypothetically speaking, mi pobisa ta mi kas. Pero mi no pobisa ta mi barrio. You can't say that.
I would feel so bad to kick them out. I wouldn't even let them in.
Mi tabisando bo.
You're wrong, actually.
Mi tabisando hypothetically.
Right.
Mas pobisa basta ko no space to working out. Pobisa hopikos basta bokas. Por si tanangkas, what are you gonna say?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Red problem.
See, what are you gonna do?
Pigeons. You have to leave.
You have to release pigeons. Rats. No, but it's a very difficult predicament. If you guys ever hear this podcast, we advise you to just, first of all, you have to be, talbomes up as a united front tame. So it seems like a walkie bus on the dos nota eens on the riba mesung linha. Dus milobisa bosan dos meses figure out manera pa bo sang ta on the same page. And as a united front, busan to by papi ku your parents nang to decide. Either way, you guys have to be okay with each other about and have one point of view. And spreken say aan parents nang. So busan po bing ding. Stali tweedelig aan to display ko to by kai na awa to was on the weird time with your parents now. So
Yeah,
that's the way I feel about that.
I think so too.
So
So I think that's a wrap up the episode.
yeah,
Yes. Thank you for engaging with us
of course. And listening.
and listening. Yes. Let us know both of these situations. Do you agree? Who is wrong in the situation? What would you have done differently? Itama sa bating stories. Share it with us.
So yun. Tapos yung abot yung am I wrong? Mande na onbrand.pc@gmail.com.
And use a different name so we don't say your real name.
Or use your name. If you bare. And the point of this subject, am I wrong?
See.
Submit.
Submit. Let me put in the miss 70%.
Insecure. No, no, wega. No, pero sí, thank you pa, triste dos, am I wrong aquí, Angèle?
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to the next one.
Hey.
You did a great job.
Thanks.
Shout out to everybody that's listening. Busang like, subscribe, share, do all of that. Busang ke collab, tumakontakto ko no. Busang no ke collab, no tumakontakto ko no.
Yep.
Shout out to Rudina. And to, I have been your co-host, Angèle.
And I have been your co-host, Dream.
Busang sa ka ba?
Yes. Big hug.
Bye.
Bye.